Hello everybody! In this latest edition of our YouTube update, we are going to cover a very important standard applicable to laboratories, ISO 17025. It is a standard for laboratory accreditation covering test laboratories and calibration laboratories across the world. We have seen that in recent years, all the laboratories, be it a test laboratory or calibration laboratory, all are gearing up for ISO 17025 implementation and accreditation. So we thought this is the right time for us to come out with an update on ISO 17025 accreditation. Technically, this ISO 17025 accreditation is very much in sync with ISO 9001 standard. So, if you are a test laboratory or a calibration laboratory that has got some kind of exposure to ISO 9001 standard, implementing ISO 17025 standard should be relatively easier for your laboratory. So, let's briefly try to understand. 1. What is ISO 17025 standard? 2. What are the benefits for test laboratory or calibration laboratory from ISO 17025 accreditation? 3. What are the requirements of ISO 17025 standard? 4. EC 17025 standard. Laboratories use ISO 17025 to implement a quality system aimed at improving their ability to consistently produce valid results. ISO 17025 specifies the general requirements for the competence to carry out tests and/or calibrations, including sampling. It covers testing and calibration performed using standard methods, non-standard methods, and laboratory-developed methods. It is applicable to all organizations performing tests and/or calibrations. These include, for example, first, second, and third-party laboratories, and laboratories where testing and/or calibration forms part of inspection and product certification. ISO 17025 is applicable to all laboratories, regardless of the number of personnel or the extent of the scope of testing and/or calibration activities. When a laboratory does not undertake one or more of the activities covered by ISO 17025, such as sampling and the design development of new methods, the requirements of those clauses do not apply. ISO 17025 is for use by laboratories in developing their management system for quality, administrative, and technical operations. Laboratory customers, regulatory authorities, and accreditation bodies may also use it in confirming or recognizing the competence of laboratories. What are the benefits for test laboratory or calibration laboratory from ISO 17025 accreditation? 1. National and international recognition. 2. Recognizes the technical competence of laboratory staff. 3. Assures the client that results are technically valid. 4. Provides comparability in measurements. 5. Decision makers can rely on the test result. 6. Improves staff motivation. 7. Ensures better support in the event of a legal challenge. 8. Assists in the development of new programs. 9. Reduces technical barriers in trade. 10. Saves money by getting it right the first time. What are the requirements of ISO 17025 standard.